A lot of people here in Colorado see this tree as a problem. But its flowers turned out to be surprisingly useful.
Today's video is about the tea. From olive tree, usually the blooming from the middle of May. Last year we prepped about 4 pounds and it lasts us about 9 months. So this year we have a big plan. Come with us.
Most people try to get rid of this tree, but you may not know that in some parts of the world it's actually used for tea. All you need to do is cut the branches with the most flowers in bloom. As you can see, it's not the easiest job, but it's actually a fun experience. We chopped the branches into smaller pieces so they fit into the boxes and became easier to handle later.
The hardest part is done. Now we're gonna clean it. Phew. Now is the longest job, but they are going off from the branch pretty easily. So just sit there, relax, put some movie on, put our video, and enjoy!
Remove the inflorescence from the branches, and as I said earlier, stack up on patience and take your time. As you can see, a few treats make the process a lot more enjoyable and help you keep going. The first part is done. Now it's time to lay the flowers out to dry, away from direct sunlight. In our case, we're using a drying rack that Val built some time ago out of random laminate pieces we found in a garage and some window screening mesh. We also placed the fan next to it to help speed up the drying process. And in a few days, we'll finally get to try the result. Brew the tea with the hot water, let it sit for a little while, and it's ready to be enjoyed. Tea made from Russian olive leaves and flowers contains natural antioxidants, flavonoids, tannins, phenolic compounds, and aromatic plant oils. Traditionally, people have used it as a relaxing evening herbal tea for its calming aroma, mild soothing effect, and general wellness benefits. It's natural caffeine-free and has a light floral character that many people may find relaxing. Give it the one final stir, and once the tea develops a pleasant light green color, it's ready to be enjoyed. The flavor is light, smooth, and slightly floral. Simple, natural, and surprisingly pleasant. There is something special about drinking tea that you harvested and prepared yourself. We're already experimenting with different combination recipes, and there is definitely more to come. But for now, take a moment to slow down and enjoy the result of your work. A natural, fragrant, relaxing tea made with your own hands. You deserve it.